I said it. Cricket. Stop it. Don't move. Stay there. Stay there. Stay there. Backyard. On a Monday morning. Backyard. Doing what? Are you not supposed to be working?
Miss Precious.
This hair you're carrying, 4 weeks. Since 4 weeks now. This is the 4th week. What is 4 weeks?
2, 3 months.
You cannot calculate.
Hey!
Upon the money that I'm paying you, your salary, you cannot you cannot save, you cannot do savings, you cannot do plus and minus and save and buy a very nice hair for yourself.
So 57K that you're paying that you have even slashed.
What are you saying? I can't hear you.
Ma, I'm saying that I will upgrade my hair.
I'm not talking about already hair. Upgrade your life while you're at it.
What a life!
Shoemaker's daughter. What is this?
What got you this morning?
If they close now, you follow all those Okada men, Abi. It's not Okada, that they've banned Okada, so it's Keke now you're doing. Who asks you? Stanley, business developer. I don't know, develop business. Where's the business you have been developing?
It's still in the works now.
It's still in the works. Okay, the business, what can I give you? What can I make excellence? You are busy doing beard gang, doing skincare, wearing shirts. And my business, what can I give you? What can I do? Get out. Get out. Follow. Okay. I want you to hear this. Follow me. In front. Are we doing burial? What is this? I named him Madoichokai Nigi. Heel in black.
Hey!
Bunch of inconfident people, and I was telling Chike, I want my intelligent, brilliant mind. What is that smell? What is that smell? Are you? Hey! Are you the smell?
Hey!
Are you the smell? Smell your armpits.
Madam.
Why are you calling me madam? Why are you calling me madam? Why are you calling me madam? What? Hey!
Miss P.
What are you supposed to open your stinking... What is your name?
Okuzili.
Open an Igbo. In an Igbo.
Yeah.
Siem.
Are you playing? What type of playing is this?
Oh, Siem, no. Siem. But, listen.
Miss flower.
Go and listen.
Ogiri.
Oh, you man is ogiri. Maga na ogiri. I na ogiri na company.
Mba.
I na ogiri.
Mba.
I na si ogiri. We blow ogiri gi. Ogiri gi iburu ya bieba. Ki chwalum investors, chwalum clients. Ine ele ogiri bieba, ine fichalum no, ine chinye mo ogiri nenya. Oh, get out.
Because Madam, Miss Precious, because
You can get out, you know, see, because you are fired. Na bazie ben negi Jacob Ogri, or na Ogri, Jacob Ogri.
Mba. Again,
Nah, Maromo.
Who is she? And what's she doing here? Does she have an appointment?
Welcome, ma.
Madam. Hey.
Yeah, what's it? Can I be in Aga?
You don't know how to talk to a woman.
Chono.
Also go. Maybe walk or get to go. Move back. What is the problem?
I'm talking to you. Who is she?
My dear.
Oh, hold your horses with the terms of endearment. My dear, I wasn't addressing you. I was talking to my staff. Who is she? Does she have an appointment?
Hi, hello. Please, that is no way to talk to a staff, nor a guest. You're the HR, okay? You hope people should know that, shouldn't you?
Yes. I'm HR, not customer service. I can talk to anybody the way that I want to talk to them. I'm not here to make anybody feel good. If my staff doesn't like the way that I talk to them, they can quit, right? And I cannot have a guest walking into this place and claiming to know better, acting like they know the place. I will put you in your place. So, madam, how can I help you?
Nagado nung watakira na agwamoko. No, ya. My dear, let me ask you. Do I look like one of the silly girls you play with? Huh? Is this what you do here? When did we employ you and you already have this energy of a possessed animal? Jesus! Yeah? Is this how you plan to chase away potential clients from this company? With this smelling and stinking attitude of yours?
I don't want to make this into an insulting competition. No, it's not going to be.
Can you insult me in there?
Is that lipstick in your teeth?
Ah, is that the insult?
And I don't know what is giving you this morale. Or is it because of this agege bread that is less, that they've matched up? That is so. And as for the clients, madam, they come here because of me. I practically own the company. Like, I don't want to brag, but this company will go to the trenches without me. So
I potentially own this company. Anyways, I apologize for not introducing myself earlier. Afambo, my name is Madam Gold Chike Chikoloba, wife to the owner and co-CEO of this company. I love the realization phase. And because I do not have time and energy to waste on peasants and people who I employ to work for me but turn themselves into tyrants. Huh? Nah. Give me for you again. What is her name? Do you know? Her name has refused to speak up. What? Even your staff does not know your name. Anyways, call the company that hired this nonsense for us. And you, corporate Akona, will no longer be requiring your services.
hey! I will prove it to you, just wait now, that I am the most indispensable and most valuable asset this company has. Just wait. Hello, sir.
Hello, precious. What is it?
Oh, sir, sorry to disturb you. There's a woman here claiming to be your wife, to the point that she said that she wants to fire me. I'm just going to send you her number so that you can call the woman to order or something.
You see my wife is there?
Like,
If my wife says you're fired, then you're fired. Hey! If she says you're fired, then you're fired. Let her meet you there again, okay? So they start about the business trip. Goodbye. I'll get it.
Reset you!
sir?
I believe that's the end of the call. For someone who potentially owns this company, you're quite daft. Stupid is a very, very low word to use for your kind of stupidity. But I'll go with stupid. Hey! I believe that conversation has ended. You've spoken to the person that you know as the CEO, okay? And you've heard him. Do you realize that this could have been a stepping stone for greatness for you? Do you realize? I'm walking here thinking I've seen a staff that has the same iron fist like myself to take this company to another level. Not knowing is one of those idiots who think power is the only way to move forward. And then make village people find a son as Anna Agun or Dick Agase.
Mommy.
You say, Mommy? And because save me the terms of endearment. Who is your mother? Do we look alike? Did I give birth to you? But you're not so I'm still speaking. Bulldozer! You know how much I hate those beans, okay? Do you realize how much I hate those beans? Clear this dustbin up immediately.
Madam, think you are a queen in your rights. You are a queen in your rights.
But you're not.
You are truly a queen. I cannot dispense that. I may disrespect you. I may disrespect you. Please, ma'am. Please, Jesus. Wait. My career is not over. Wait, ma'am.
I'm a mature officer. I don't like no idea.
If I ever want to get a yellow medal, it will be.
I should share back for kita.
You can make it one and one. You can make it one and one.
You are taking my koboko.
No one and I because what I'm about Jesus. I don't what can I get Jesus.
Say my koboko. You can hold down.
Children, please help me talk to uncle, please. Jesus. My future is at
You can hold down.
Jesus. Sorry, you won't be so God.
She come maybe.